Continuing with the class, now we will use arithmetic operations, right? For example, if I want to obtain the sum of two numbers, for example, 4 plus 8, the result is 12, right? I run it, and it returns 12. Now, let's create two values, value 1 and value 2. The first value with the value of 20 and the second value with the value of 6. Now, I want to show the sum of the first value with the second value. If I run it, it gives us 20 plus 6, 26. Now, if we want the subtraction, it would simply be with the minus sign.
If we want the product with the asterisk sign, if we want the division with the division sign,
if we want the module with the remainder part, with the percentage symbol. I'm going to name each operation. Module, which is the part of the rest. And we are missing the operation with a double sign, which is the integer part of a division. If we execute, it gives us the results. The first is a sum, 26, 20 plus 6, 26. The difference gives us 14. The product 20 times 6 gives us 120. The division gives us 3.33. The remainder part, with the percentage sign, gives us 2, because it would be 6 times 3, 18 plus 2. And it gives us, with this double symbol, the entire part. Now let's define the functions, which is a function simply to not be entering the sum of data, for example. The example 2 plus 45, then 4 plus 55. To not be there, if we execute, it gives us results, right? 56, right? One more 55, 56, and so on, right? Up to 5 plus 55, it gives us 60. So, to not have to write all this, we can define a function.
We used almost 5 lines, right?
A function that summarizes all those lines of code, right? So, we use the word te and a word in the name of the function, right? Let's call. That function is going to take 2 parameters.
In this case, we enter 2 values, right?
And it will give us a result. In this case, we only want there to be 2 values. And how did you call this function? It's already defined, already. My function is defined with the word def, the name of the function. The arguments in this case are 2 different, and it returns the sum of value 1 and value 2. How do I call my function? Just typing the name. the arguments, in this case, 2 and 3, and we execute.
If we execute, it gives us the value of the sum,
which is 5, 2 plus 3, 5, and 6 plus 5, 11.
Can use this function multiple times, right?